Hey peeps, what's going on? So today we're out here at the Holiday Inn Club Vacations and we are going to take a tour around the property, show you guys what's up. So this is actually what they call a timeshare presentation. I wouldn't suggest doing this if your time is of importance to you on your vacation. We had some extra time, so we decided to do it. It's a pretty nice property here. We're gonna check it out and bring you with us. Let's go. This is the property here at Orange Lake in Orlando, Florida. And we're gonna show you around, show you the property, see what the condos on the property look like.
Look at my two babies. Hey honey, walking in with daddy?
Hey peeps, so right now we're heading on a golf cart to go and check out the actual rooms here. They have like suites of 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom, depending on your needs. But we're gonna check that out right now and bring you inside to show you what the suites look like here at the Holiday Inn Club Vacations property in Orange Lake, Orlando, Florida.
So from here to there, this is our property, okay? This property have 9 restaurants inside. Golf cart. We have 4 golf carts here. We have mini golf. We have a tennis court, basketball court, soccer court, water park, lazy river, everything here. So this is our golf cart. We have one here, we have one to the side, we have 2 more to the side.
Welcome to Orange Lake.
We have over 300 rooms per month.
Nice.
Yeah. This water there. Yeah.
First of all, we're already on 90 minutes.
It's a lot more interesting looking this way. Looking this way.
Alright peeps, so this is what inside one of the Holiday Inn Club Vacation timeshare looks like. Start from the patio with an exterior entrance here to the pool area. Go into the living area here, which is really nice. And that's my daughter. This here is the kitchen area, guys, which is adjacent to the entrance to the master.
Good size hotel room.
Great little washing area, and then this is second bedroom. It's much nicer. And this has access to a walk-in bathroom and a nice big closet here. Very nice. Hey peeps, that's pretty much it for this video. We're at the Holiday Inn Club Vacations property here in Orange Lake, Orlando, Florida. And we just did a tour of the property. We saw the pool area. They have a lazy river that goes around the entire pool area. They have some water slides as well for the kids. They have a lot of restaurants on site and a lot of condos. We took you guys inside the property to see the 1-bedroom and the 2-bedroom condos. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, click the subscribe button down below. Tune in next week for our next video. We will see you in the next one. Take care and peace out from beautiful Orlando, Florida.
See you. Bye-bye.